Hey Michael, I'm going to go through the example you asked about. What you want to do is turn a light on when your analog inputs gets above a certain value, and I guess off when it's below it. So I'll be on when above, we'll call it. So I think you said you had an ACE222, which I have plugged into here. Do a little auto config. Let me grab that quick. Okay. And this program is going to be real simple. So the first step I'm going to do is unnecessary, but it'll help. It'll help the understanding of what's going on here. So I'm going to. I did a copy. Actually, I meant to do a scale. So we're going to do a scale function here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the input value, which I'll select my input A1 in this case, and I'm going to convert it from its value, which is going to come in as 0 to 4095, and this is I happen to be using a 0 to 5 volt version of our ACE222. So I'm going to tell it that's equal value 0 to 5, and you see I picked a floating point number so that I've got a decimal point to work with there. And that way it's going to be easier to understand in this code. So what I'll do is I'll say when I don't know what values you're really wanting to use, but I'll say when my scale value is greater than or equal to 2.5, let's say, I will turn this particular output on, and when it is less, I do a little copy, and when it's less than that, which is the same thing as a no answer to the scaled value being greater than or equal to 2.5. When it's that, it'll turn it off. And now I want to loop this routine back to the beginning, so it keeps scaling, comparing, and turning on or off. So I'll program this. Okay, it programmed, and we'll hit run, and now I'll go to debug mode and check the values there. So I've got a little test set up here, and you can see I am adjusting the values. I'm going to move this down. Okay, so you can see my input values coming in, and it should go basically from 0 to 5. It's the scaled value, and when it's over, you see it goes to green. And when it's under, it goes, this thing turns red, and it'll go here. And we can actually see because I've hit this name value button, we can see the value inside that bit turn on and off based on me adjusting my input voltage. And on my simulator, my PLC, I can see the output light turning on and off. So that's as simple as the example you're wanting is. Just, I guess, 4 little logic blocks, and you should be able to do it.